Do you want to make your scene changes look smooth and professional? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add zoom out transition in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the step number 1, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select at least 2 video clips or photos that you want to connect, then tap Add to import them into the timeline. On the timeline, tap a small white transition icon located between the 2 clips. Browse through the available transition categories and you can search for Zoom Out. You can choose from the option of different zoom out transition effects. Tap the one you like to preview it. You will see the first clip smoothly shrink away before the next clip appears. You can also adjust the speed by sliding the Adjust Slide below. Finally, play your video to preview the final transition before exporting. And that's how you add zoom out transition in CapCut Mobile. Zoom out, stand out! Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!